guys, Frank's Conception here, and today I am reviewing the iClever numerical keypad. Now guys, if you've noticed, it's not in the box right now, and that is because I was getting some horrible glare from the box. So I took it out of the box, and right now it's just kind of floating in plastic. So this is what it looks like. Just kind of pressing the keys. They're very soft, nice. Basically, the type of people who would use something like this, I personally don't need it, but someone who would use this would be an accountant, someone who works with a lot of numbers and has to type a lot, so it's pretty useful. Excuse the cop car in the background. I think we're pretty safe here. So we have, this is the back of it. As you can see the information on the back if it would like to zoom in and focus. Doesn't seem to want to focus. Not that you guys care about the information, so. Alright, so I'm just gonna set this down. Okay, so here we have our USB. By the way, this is USB, not Bluetooth. So you're gonna plug this into your computer. Doesn't want to focus, but anyways, you plug this into your computer, it should recognize it immediately, and very nicely done. I personally prefer it over Bluetooth because I don't see why I'd use it on a phone. I mean, maybe, but it's not really what it's designed for, so that's nice. And then we have his card. It is warranty, the Super User program, which I'm a part of, and Amazon Reviewer program, which I'm also a part of. So this is just information on it. So that's nice. I'll set that up over here. And then we have our instruction manual for it, which I honestly don't think I'll need, but it's nice to have nonetheless. I believe it is pulled out. Yes. Okay. So you can take a good look at it. That's nice. And it even comes with its own battery. Don't know how good the quality of the battery is, but it comes with a battery nonetheless, which is nice. Most products don't come with batteries, so that is pretty nice. Yep, doesn't want to focus, but that's cool. So yeah, guys, it good quality. That I'm trying to say, it's good quality, very cheap. You can pick it up for I think around 15 bucks or something like that, maybe even less. I'll link you to Amazon. I recommend it if you need it. If you don't need it, it's cool to have, but not really necessary. So if you're like a bank accountant or something along those lines, then it's pretty useful. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. I have something special planned. Alright, peace.